Welcome to our kitchen. Today I'm going to be replacing our old hot sauce station and tea station with this new Lazy Susan. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're going to have the instructions, both tiers, the connector pieces, and the hardware to install this. There are a total of 6 screws, and what's really nice is the screw holes down here have a metal insert, so it makes it really easy to attach these. That literally took less than a minute. And it looks so nice. This fit everything I had on my other one, but it takes up less space and it rotates. I love this so much. If you are looking for an easy to put together, modern looking solution to keep spices or hot sauces or even tea, like I am, on your counter, I would highly recommend this one. It's incredibly easy to put together and it looks fantastic.